point or touch step, one measure. To perform point or touch step, you're going to point right ball forward, count 1, and then close right to left, count 2. So to perform touch or point step forward, this is how you do it. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. For sideward, same process. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. And for backward, 1 and 2, 1 and 2.
Next is legging, one measurement. First, heel placed forward, count 1. Closed right to left, count 2. So it goes like 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Another one is the hop legging. To do this, from the name itself, you need to hop either right or left. So in this case, I am going to use my right leg. Hop, then with your left foot, you are going to execute the heel place. So it goes like hop, heel place, hop, heel place. Thank you.
Close step or follow step. One measure. This is how you're going to perform it. Step your right foot to any direction, then close your left foot to your right foot. Count 2. So you can do it in any direction. So for example, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, or 1, 2.
Next is cross step, one measure. So this is how you perform. Step right foot in place, count 1. Step left foot cross right, count 2. This is how you perform. 1 and 2, 1 and 2.
Next, we have hop step. So this is one measure. And to do this, all you have to do is step your right foot or left foot in any direction. So first, 1. So this is count as 1. And then hop on it, which is like this. So this is 2. So all you have to do is 1 and 2. So when you say any direction, it can be right, forward, or backward. So 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2.
So next is brush step. The measure is 1. And then how to perform brush steps. First, you need to step in any direction. For example, like this, in the right, yes, the left. And second is you need to brush your step like you need to brush your feet like this. Step, brush, then in any direction. Step, brush, just like that.
Next we have is the slide step. So it has one measure, so the counting is 1 and 2. So first you need to do is you step either right or left, but with a slide. So this is how you do it. Slide 1, close, and 2. So to perform it, it goes 1 and 2, 1 and 2. And you can also perform it forward. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So that is the slide step.
Next, we have the swing step. First is step sideward or forward, right or left. Step, then swing. Step, count 1, then swing, count 2. Like this. 1, 1, 2.
This is how you're going to perform sway balance with the hop. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then for the other side, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and that's it.
Next, we have sway balance with the foot. It has 2 measures. So to perform it, you can step your right foot. So in this case, we're going to use the right foot. So step your right foot diagonally forward, count 1. Cross your left foot across your right foot, count 2 and 3. That is the third measure. Then step your right foot backward, count 1. Then point your left foot in front, count 2 and 3. That's how you're going to perform it. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And to the other side, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2.
Now, let's proceed to continue with the close. So this is 2 measures. So this is all you have to do. Step your right foot or left foot in sideways. So first, right, and And then cross step, which is you're gonna cross step your left, and then step your right foot side, and then close your left foot. So balik. This is how you do it with a count. So 1, 2, 3, 1, and 2, 3. Again in the left side. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
Next we have is Engaño with the waltz. So this is 2 measure with 3/4 counting. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So to perform, you have to step either your right foot or left foot sideward, and then cross step either right or left, and then close your right foot or left foot, and then step in place. So to perform, you have to step, that's count 1, 2, and then cross step, that's count 3. So first measure, 1, 2, 3. So that's the first measure. For the second measure, you just have to step your right foot backward, and then close with your right foot, and then step in place. So that's the second measure. To perform the 2 measure, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's Engaño with the waltz.